It's about a religious man going to the barber, and the barber says, "I don't believe in God." So the religious man remains quiet and waits for a few seconds, and then he says, "I don't believe in barbers." Then the barber asks, "Why is that?" Then the religious man points to the man across the street and says, "Do you see that man over there with messy and long hair? If barbers existed, that man would walk around with a fresh haircut." The barber laughs and says, "Of course we exist, but he just doesn't come to us." And then finally the religious man replies and says, "Exactly, God does exist, but people just don't come to him for guidance." And I completely agree. This is how God teaches us, with hardship and free will. If everything goes well all the time, without any hardship, do you think we would really learn something, get stronger, or have empathy and good personality at all? Whatever you call it, we humans need disciplines, principles, and guidelines in this life. Without them, we are just lost and walk around with not a messy hairstyle, but with a messy life.